Welcome to today's video. We're going to be talking about trends specifically on Redbubble. I have another video coming out which is going to be trends on Amazon merch. I wanted to separate the two videos so you can kind of choose which one you want to watch. If you want to watch both, brilliant. But in this video, we're talking about trends on Redbubble. And before we get started, because I want to get right into it, please don't forget to hit that like button. Let's try and get it to, give me a random number, 462 likes in the next 24 hours. Why not? And I've got my computer here. We're gonna get started straight away. I've got a whole bunch of trends, and not only that, I'm gonna show you how I'm finding these trends as well. It's very simple, and I use this method as well when I'm looking for Amazon FBA products, and it's kind of like the random keyboard search, and then I use Redbubble's own, website to actually show me what's gonna be trending, and I'll show you because Redbubble have this little arrow thing that shows you when a design is trending. And the way I look at it is I want to find a design that's trending but doesn't have too many searches or too many results in the searches. So I don't want to go with a trending t-shirt that has 500,000 results because it's going to be really hard to compete with. I want to go with a trending t-shirt that has a much smaller result, right? So let's start with these ones over here. Okay, so we've got, this one was showing up before, but now it's not showing up at all. It just shows up here, trending search at the bottom. This was Amsterdam skyline. And this was a really odd one to me because it's such a random thing to be trending. So I did look on the news and I couldn't see why it would be trending, but it was trending. And the reason why it stood out to me was because the search results was 1,692, which is brilliant because it means it's not too competitive. It's something we can definitely get involved in. And like the designs aren't that good. So those are a few things I like to look at. 1, how many searches. 2, how good the competition is. And 3, is it copyrighted? Am I allowed to do it, right? If it ticks all those boxes, then why not go out and create a design in that area? So you've got, like for Amsterdam skyline, a lot of these aren't even the skyline. That's not a skyline, that's not a skyline, that's not a skyline. So you can definitely create a t-shirt here that would look pretty unique, pretty cool, just providing it's allowed. This is quite a nice looking one. I like that one. Let's have a look. This is a great sticker. It would be cool if that sticker was on a t-shirt. I'm sure they have that sticker on a t-shirt, but I like that kind of artistic drawing. It looks like it's been made in like Procreate on an iPad or something. It just looks really cool. This one's very grunge. That's a very cool one as well. This is an odd one. This is an upside down looking Amsterdam. Anyway, I'm gonna move on from Amsterdam, but let's look at the next trending design that I thought of. So the next one is Santa. Here we go, and you can see the line there. It shows it's trending. I just found this one so funny. I had to do it. I don't even know if you can do this anymore because it's the 8th of December today. This is going live on the 9th of December, so you might be out of time for Christmas t-shirts, but you could still do this on Amazon and still get sales because people can buy merch by Amazon t-shirts with Prime. So Santa is my homeboy, 696 results, amazing. The designs are like not very good. I mean, I'm Santa's homeboy. This is a rubbish design. This is an okay-ish design, but still not amazing. I'm just not a fan of these designs. I feel like we could create something so much better. I mean, these ones, come on, they haven't been watching my videos, clearly. It's all the way down on their belly. It needs to be further up on their chest. They should be watching a few of Are Your Designs Any Good? But anyway, so this is a great design. And what I thought was cool about this is it wasn't just Santa's my homeboy, it was all the ho 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 designs. So if I search ho ho ho, I don't know if it's trending, but dear Santa, before I explain how much do you know? So that's a trending topic. That's just one that I've just found off the cuff here. But ho 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 it actually finds some pretty good results. It's got 35,000 search results, so quite a lot more. And you got, now I have a machine gun. So you've got so many different funny designs. Now I have a machine gun. Again, I think it could be, it's not the same person, it's a different person. So clearly, and that's another person and another person. Clearly now I have a machine gun is, looking like quite a popular thing. It's got 213 results and a lot of people are doing it, but it's all just basic text-based designs. We could easily let's go into Vexels for a second. We could easily create something unique, something different, and like with graphics. So machine gun, let's just put machine gun in and see what comes up. Okay, come on. That is a Santa holding 2 Uzis. What more do you want? Go and find this graphic on Vexels. I think I might do it actually. Put Santa there and say, now I have a machine gun, ho ho ho, with Santa there, and that will completely change the game because I do not see anyone doing this, and that is a really funny and really good graphic. Brilliant. Okay, fine. And by the way, if you want Vexels, it's in the link in the description, but whatever, we're not talking about that now. Let's move on to the next trend. I'm liking this. This is cool. Okay, let's move on to the next trend. This is a humongous, popular, crazy niche. And I'm not talking about this particular can't hear you, I'm gaming. I'm talking about the gaming niche in general. And I've actually got quite a few gaming related trends that we're going to talk about in this video. This is the first one, can't hear you, I'm gaming. There's a whole bunch here. I can't hear you, I'm gaming. That's just a terrible design. And if we go for trending, we can see which ones are trending right now, right? You've got can't hear you, I'm gaming, can't hear you, I'm gaming. I mean, they're okay. Game mode on, can't hear you, I'm gaming. They're okay, but they're not amazing. Like this is weird. That's a controller brain. These are odd, okay? And again, if we go into Vexels and we put in gaming, let's put in gaming and see what graphics come up. That could be quite cool because I do know Vexels have a lot of gaming graphics. They've got can't I'm gaming. You've got this weird one where I don't know what language that is, could be German, I don't know. But you could easily change that to can't hear you, I'm gaming, just with the round over there and over there. And you've got all these different gaming graphics, so that could be quite cool. And then look, if you don't want to use Vexels, you've got Placeit as well. Placeit, let's have a look at Placeit, see what graphics they have for gaming. And then as well as that, you've also got Canva, but Canva you can only, I believe, use the free one. So let's do Online Design Maker, and let's select gaming. So just searching for gaming, there's 6,924 results in Placeit. If we scroll down and have a look, so you've got quite a few here. It's not the same kind of level. These are, I guess that one's quite cool. They're okay. They're not amazing. They're pretty good. They're not amazing, but I feel like we could work with them. We could do something with them. Okay. Anyway, so that's can't hear you, I'm gaming. So that's quite a good trending niche. And then on top of that, you've got more gaming trends. So let's put this one in. Gaming makes me happy. You not so much. And again, you can see it's got the trending lines there, so we know it's trending. And let's have a look at what Redbubble spits out at us. How many results does this have? This got 336 results. Not a crazy amount of results, right? But it's in a way good because it means, like I said, you're not competing with as many people. But then you got gaming makes me happy. You, question mark, or just you not so much. So that's a terrible design. I couldn't even see the thing. And I just realized you could try and do this design without the not so much. You could just do gaming makes me happy. You, right? A lot of people, that's like an ongoing joke, right? Where you say something and it's like you straight afterwards. But anyways, you've got these really awful looking designs. And we can go into, we've got most relevant, but if we go for trending, see which ones are actually trending. I mean, these aren't good designs. These are not good designs. You can make a much better design. A much better design, right? A much better design. I don't need to say that again. You can make a much better design. So that's the next gaming one. And then the last gaming one, education is important, but gaming is importanter. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. I mean, this has 1,700 results, so quite a few more results. And again, the designs are okay, but not amazing. And you can see people have used it in other niches, which I really like. You got education is important, but hockey is importanter. You can mix it with anything. Education is important, but golfing is importanter. You know, YouTube is importanter. Whatever is importanter, you can use, and it can be like a trend that is evergreen across so many different niches. So that's really, really cool. And I really like this one because, again, it's very easy to compete with this. The designs aren't that good. This one's okay. Education is important, but gaming is important. But that's kind of okay. It doesn't need the lines. It doesn't need that. But either way, this is a semi-decent niche. I'd give it that. I think from these few gaming shirts that I've showed you, gaming is a massive, massive niche. And even if you're not a gamer, start doing some gaming t-shirts. You never know, one of them might hit hard. So try some gaming t-shirts, and let's move on to the next trend. Okay, so the next one is I'm on the naughty list and I regret nothing. A great trend over here. You can see it's trending with this trend arrow, and you've got so many. You've got so many from different people. You've got so many from, well, a lot of them are actually from B Designer. But to be honest, these are actually quite good designs. This one here, I'm on the naughty list and I regret nothing, is an excellent, excellent design. Well done, I like it. I'm not quite sure what's going on with your title there. Maybe you want to update that. This is a terrible design. These are terrible designs. I mean, this is also a terrible design. So the only person you'd really be competing with is this person, and his title's gone a bit weird. I don't know why. It could just be a Redbubble glitch. But this has got 526 results, so it's not crazy popular, but it's okay. And competing wise, you'd only really be competing with this guy because all the other designs are really terrible. So this is definitely a good niche to get into. I think it's going to be pretty good, but the thing is, it might not last because Christmas with Redbubble in particular is kind of over right now. So it's hard to say. It's hard to say if it's gonna hit because Christmas is a bit over. But anyways, that is it for these trends. I'm going to do an Amazon trends video as well. I wanted to keep it separate. I didn't want this video to be too long. And I still have other trends that I didn't get to cover in this video. But don't worry, I will check next week if they are still trends. And if they are still trending, then I will put them in next week's video. But I just want to say thank you so much for watching. And I hope you like this video. So just thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment down below if you're liking these trend videos.